Well, it's a beautiful, sunny spring day here in California. I figured I would do a short update on the Mustang. I made some progress. As you can see, kind of just stubbed everything in. That's all welded in, cleaned up a bit. Looks a bit better. My AC unit's just sitting there still, nothing new there. However, well, start over here. Progress over here, you can see I've started tack welding that in. It's all cut to size and tacked in, so that's good to go. Wilwood, you can see I've got my brakes master cylinder stubbed in. I've got my clutch master cylinder stubbed in. Modern Drivelines clutch master cylinder there. Their instructions suck, but I figured it out. My reservoir wouldn't fit right here. And not enough room. So I'm gonna have to mount it on the side over here somewhere. All of this worked okay. This was kind of a neck wrenching operation to get it all to fit in here though. But it looks pretty neat. No, I'm not gonna be able to focus on that very well. As you can see, everything works. So that's it right there. Interesting process. Yeah, my camera work sucks, but hey, what do you expect? I'm playing on cars. Dash is going in, slow but sure. Headliner's in, bunch of miscellaneous in. Still need to run some more brake lines. You can see I've got a stub for a brake line right there. I've got a stub for a brake line right here. However, I don't think I like where it's at. I think that might actually get in the way. So we'll see what happens. It's all dusty and dirty and being worked on.